What's up guys? Today we have another property tour, and for today's tour we are in Sunstone by Lennar Home, the northwest of Las Vegas, and we are checking out the community of Alia Pointe. So here in this community, guys, really quick before I get started, they have a total of 3 different collection, guys. So they have Alia Pointe, Village, and Estates. So 6 different floor plans here to check out, but today we are going to be checking out floor plan Pioneer, and let me quickly give you the details on this one. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It is 2,469 square feet, 3-car garage. Starting base price is $685,990. As I'm making this property tour, guys, there is a quick move-in ready, and that is priced at $694,742. So roughly close to 10K above that base price, because the base price I mentioned does not include any upgrades or lot premiums. Also, guys, this is a next-gen home. So if you're not too familiar with a next-gen home, pretty much, guys, just to simplify things so you understand, it's like having 2 homes in one. And what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you, give you an idea first, and then when I get inside, I'll show you even more. So obviously that's the main entrance, guys. So if we come here, you're gonna have a private entrance to that next gen. So it's pretty much, it's like having another little apartment in your house, because it's gonna have its own private entrance. So if you come around here, guys, this is where you could access that next gen. So you can come in and out, and you still have access to go in through the main house, through the inside of it as well. But if you're like renting it out and you don't want to have them come into the main house, just know that they do have their own private entrance. Also, if they have a car in the garage, they have access to the garage as well. So that's that, guys. Now let's go inside this house, because it is hot out here. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ramiro, licensed realtor here in the area of Las Vegas. What I do here on this channel, guys, is I tour all new communities to show you what builders are offering. So at the end of the day, guys, you can decide if the home and community is a right fit for you. So if that is something you're interested, guys, make sure to like this video if you like it. Also subscribe. Also, if you need any assistance, any realtor to represent you guys, I would definitely love the opportunity to be by your side, whether you're buying a new home, resale home, or even looking to sell. Contact information will be down below. Whew. Let's get in this AC, guys. Oh man, okay. Nice 10-foot ceilings, guys. Got the LVP flooring. So straight ahead, obviously you can see the living area. You got the kitchen, dining. You may not be able to see because it's pretty bright. The sun's coming into that window, but pretty wide hall right here. And then you're off to the right, guys. You have 1 bedroom there. In between, you have a bathroom and another bedroom over here. So let's quickly show you these bedrooms. And if you stick around to the end of this video, guys, you definitely don't want to miss that next gen. Trust me. Lennar, honestly, I think they're one of the best in the game as far as how they build out their next gens and how they design them. Hallway bathroom. And we could debate about that, and that's totally fine, guys. We all have our own opinions. Excuse me. Coat closet. Bedroom number 2. Look at this. Your closet's right there. I'll tell you what, AC feels fantastic in here. It is roughly, let me check my phone right now. It is roughly, you know, it's not too bad. It's 101 right now, but it is in the triple digits. So wherever you're watching this, guys, let me know what's the weather like? What's the temperature where you're at? Is it cooler? Is it hotter? Okay, so that way, guys, to the next gen. Show you that in just a second. Be patient. Obviously, that's your living area, the dining, and then here we have the kitchen. So really quick, let me break down how Lennar works, guys. So Lennar is a spec builder. You may be wondering, like, if you're not too familiar with what a spec builder is, guys. So what they do, they just start building homes ahead of time, guys. They already have picked the upgrades, such as your flooring, the color of your cabinets, the countertops. Are they gonna do backsplash or not? And you know, typically when they put those homes out on the market, guys, it's because they're close to completion, guys, and there's no changes. So typically with Lennar, guys, in today's tour, what you see is what you get, but it's not exactly what you see and what you get, guys, because you may get some type of flooring. You're gonna get upgraded flooring, maybe not this color. Also the same with the countertops, also cabinets, backsplash. So something to keep in mind, you will get something, but maybe different finish or different color. So just something just to be mindful, guys. You're not gonna get exactly how you see this, but you are gonna get nice upgraded, you know, everything that they include as an upgrade. Also, really quick, the backsplash, typically Lennar doesn't include it with their spec home. So just something to be aware of. It's not all the time, but I would like to tell people, don't count on it, to be honest. Stove, microwave, refrigerator included. What doesn't come is washer and dryer, but we'll discuss that when we get to that point. But enough of me yapping, let me show you this good stuff, guys. I just like to give you the good details so you're just aware and you don't get no surprises. But just like always, guys, we could get on a phone call and I could let you know exactly how every builder is different. So osmosis. So you will get a basic filtration after closing by a third-party company, guys. It won't be Lennar. They come out here, they give you that filter. It doesn't come with a complete water softener system for your house. They are gonna try to upsell you on that, just a heads up. But I have a preferred water softener company, but I always tell people at least get like 2 or 3 quotes instead of just going with that third-party company that Lennar has a partnership with. Nice stove, microwave. I do love these cabinets, guys. It's very modern. Look at this. Are they soft close? Not soft close. Definitely don't count on soft close. How about the drawers? Let's see, let's test them out. Yeah, soft close drawers. Okay, cool. Get this nice refrigerator. And then right here is that dishwasher. Also on this island, forgot to mention, easily seats 3 people comfortably. And you do have cabinets on this side. Let me see. Do you? Yeah, you do, because the handle's right here. There you go, so more storage. Cool, those are soft close. Right over here, now we have the dining. That's a nice set of 8 for 8 people. And your living area. Everything I feel is like very nice and spacious, to be honest. I love this floor plan. I mean, look how much room you have just like right here. And then plenty of room to walk through here. And then look how much room you have here as well from the kitchen. Very functional, in my opinion. And then, oh, almost forgot, your pantry, it's right here. And let me show you quickly the backyard, guys. Unfortunately, I don't have access to it because, you know, these homes are the self-guided tour homes where you just come and see it yourself. But don't do that, guys. If you do come, make sure you bring a realtor, because if you do that, it's gonna register your phone number and email automatically. You don't have representation, you give it up. So just a heads up. Look at this. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I probably didn't for this one. Usually I do, but sometimes I forget. It's hot, sometimes I don't think straight. Front landscaping comes included, guys. Backyard doesn't. Typically, you're just gonna get dirt, guys, to be honest. Don't count on, this is just a model home. You see it finished, but you do have up to 6 to 12 months per the HOA to complete your backyard. So just a heads up, guys. Also, if you guys are enjoying this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. So what do you guys want to see next? The primary or the next gen? You know what, let's just do the primary real quick, because I know that next gen is my favorite. I like to save the best for last. I mean, everything's nice in this model home, to be honest, so everything is the best. But here's the primary. Nice and spacious, guys. Let me go over here to show you from this angle. Different perspective, different views. I always try my best. I'm definitely not the best with this camera, but I try. Then right behind me is that primary bathroom. So dual vanity, got the standalone tub. I love this flooring, really nice. And then here off to the left, the toilet. And then you got the shower. Love how it's tile all the way up to the ceiling. Look at that. And then if you come over here, primary closet. What do you guys think, guys? Small, big, drop a comment below. But to be honest, this primary bathroom is not bad. Look at this, got a window right there. Got the can lighting up above. All right, well, let's go check out that next gen, guys. But before we do, guys, if you guys are planning to check out new construction homes, make sure you don't walk alone, guys. I'm not just saying that so you call me. Kind of am, but I'm not. Even if you have your own realtor, guys, super important. Make sure either I go with you or your realtor does. Builders often will consider you unrepresented if you do go by yourself, and you may not be able to add an agent later. Sometimes we have to fight with these builders and say that I was sick, I was in the hospital, that's why I didn't go. Don't give my secret away, guys. Now, the big reason, guys, it does matter having someone to help you negotiate the price, incentives, and upgrades, just to name a few, guys. So if you have any questions or want me to go with you, my contact information will be down below, guys. We'll definitely love the opportunity to be by your side. All right. One more tease, guys, before we go into that next gen. Let me show you the laundry room, because this is not a complete tour if I don't show you the laundry room. Washer and dryer, guys, is not included. But like I said, if you have an agent by your side like myself, I'm gonna do everything I can to negotiate that washer and dryer for you, because as you can see, it's an optional. It doesn't come with the home. Just like these upper cabinets as well. Optional upgrade, does not come. You have a sink. That's your 3-car garage, guys. I don't know if you see in the beginning of the video, sales office, not going in there. That's your smart panel box. That's where your internet goods go. And up above is your attic access. All right, back to this tour. So this is the next gen. The reason I'm kind of backing up is I'm gonna give you just an idea, just so you could think outside the box of what typically people are doing. So it depends, everybody has their different plan with next gen. But obviously there should be a door here. It's a model home, they don't put doors. But this is your home. If you wanna lock it and rent that room out and not give them access, you can. Or if you don't want to give access to their mother-in-law, you can't either lock her in there. Not just playing, don't do that. But you know, you get the point, right? You could like lock it and not give access, or you could have that door, you could come in and out. Just want to say that this is the entrance to the next gen from the inside of the home. Because right there, that's in the beginning of the video, guys, if you remember, it has its own private entrance, so they don't have to come in through the main house. Because look at, in this next gen, guys, this is what you get. Like I said, it's almost like a little apartment. You got a living room. I mean, shoot, you could lock me in here. Lock that door, don't let me out. Just playing, guys. Then over here, got a refrigerator. You also have a sink, some counter space, and you do got that microwave, guys. You know, as you may see, it's like not an apartment, Ramiro doesn't have the stove. Yeah, per code, guys, they're not allowed to do it because now you got 2 kitchens, right? So nowadays, guys, I don't know, comment below, do you cook a lot of stuff through the air fryer? Like, you could cook a lot of stuff through air fryer. Put an air fryer there. You got the sink, you got the refrigerator, and also, if you really wanted to, guys, obviously, you know, be safe. You could put a barbecue pit out here. That's your stove. Maybe a gas one. I'm a charcoal guy. I don't use gas, but to easier, guys, put a gas grill. That is your stove. And then look, you got the TV here, so you don't ever have to go watch TV in the main. This could be like my man cave. I mean, I know next gen's not for everyone, but I mean, you could get creative. Like, what would you do? You could do it as a big office. Like, what would you do? So you got the bedroom here, but before, let me show you this. You also have your own full bathroom. Single vanity, okay, toilet, stand-up shower. Gotta be careful because they are using it as a public bathroom, but you get the point. And then you come over here, guys. We're not done yet, guys. You have your own bedroom. This is perfect, guys. Even for like guests that come visit you, stay here. Maybe your mother comes visit you. It's like, you have like your own house, mom. Come visit me. You'll have your own house if you do. That's if you get along with your mom. I do have a great relationship, but you know, just trying to think outside the box. That we're not done yet, guys, because look, you have your own closet and washer and dryer. So isn't this like having your own apartment, guys? Honestly, like, drop a comment below. What do you guys think of this? Like I said, the only thing it doesn't have a stove, just have to think outside the box a little, guys. And not just that, guys, depending on how you're using it, let's be honest, go use the house stove, all right? This is just like if you're renting it out and you really don't want to give access to the house, you could, you know, obviously just go in and out through this door. But if you really didn't want someone to have access, put a deadbolt lock, like double deadbolt lock with the key so they can't go in there. And whoever's staying in this nice next gen, that's right, you're not locking them in. They have their own private entrance over here on this side. Well, guys, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. You like it, you don't, you want to come see it. I will have my contact information down below, guys. Like I said, make sure you don't come. And I'm not just saying that just so you can call me. I'm like genuinely really like want to help you guys. And make sure you have a realtor also that knows the new construction process, guys. It's a lot different than resale, guys. I consider myself an expert in new construction, guys. So if you want an expert to represent you and make sure you get every penny negotiated, contact me, guys. And make sure you reach out to me before you go to your initial first visit to the builder. Would definitely love to be by your side. Also, guys, do me one huge favor. If you're not gonna call me, totally fine. This is the only favor I call. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, if you wanna become a fan and subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you could continue to see these tours. Also, if you don't wanna miss any upcoming tours, because I constantly post, hit that bell. That way when I do upload, you receive that notification and you always stay up to date with the new construction homes here throughout the Las Vegas area. Well, guys, I appreciate you very much. Until next time.